I just want to hear. Am I not voting? Okay, that's so interesting.
Yeah. Like some young man, the highest, the greatest. For love, too. I'm a Hercules in the studio, trying to figure out what we doing. Chase, I hope you're listening, man. It's one of them options. Key wave.
Baby, real to life, ain't no splitting us. We on the same page, ain't no flipping us. I put you on the stage, cause you big enough. It's coursing through my veins, this is real love. You got an attitude, oh girl, you're messy. I can't go back and forth, but it's tempting. We watching Hollywood, you tell me wetting. Due to my affection for you, and due to my connection to you, baby, gotta make sure, gotta make sure you're happy. I can't believe it started in the DMs. We never said good morning, we said GM. My lord, got conditions, ain't no defense. You been controlling me like it's some voodoo. My life been way too fast, I don't know who's who. We started off as you were my best bud. Now I gotta confess, you were my best love. Baby, oh baby, I can't keep you guessing. I learned my lesson, my favorite blessing. Calm all your nerves, your wishes, what you've been getting. On God, I swear it. Due to my affection for you, and due to my connection to you, baby, gotta make sure, gotta make sure you're happy.
Make sure your baby's happy, make sure your baby's happy. Ja, man, das dreht sig och så kämpar det i liv. For love too. King Lakosa, King Blxckie, King Chiluga.
Are you gonna say anything? Is it just me speaking? Oh. And what's a question that you're afraid of answering?
Any question that is along the lines of me being worthy of the person that I'm with.
So do you think that you're deserving of your hand?